So I thought I'd share something. I was backing the truck up earlier to help someone with some firewood. And they said, oh, you have a brake light out. Well, fortunately, I make it a habit, well, I try to carry around some couple extra bulbs in the vehicle, because they don't really weigh a lot. And, you know, your vehicle, I just threw them on the door. But he said, hey, you have a brake light out. Well, to avoid getting pulled over by Officer Obvious to tell me, hey, you have a brake light out, you know, I just went ahead and changed it. But I realized I didn't have any tools in the car. But I had my Leatherman. So instead of going through the hassle of getting pulled over by the police, who do a great job, by the way. Well, a lot of them do a great job. Some are, you know. Anyway, that's. So I'd share that. Just you know, Leatherman totally just hooked it up. So recommend carrying one. And keep your package, so you know when you go to the auto parts store, you can avoid going to the counter and having to ask, well, what light is it? You can just keep the package and just go in there, do a match, buy it, and you can carry some in the car. So I'm gonna probably pick some up on my way home. Damn, brake light went out, so, which was money, because the brake light was the same as the front tail light, the front running light. So I didn't have to go and buy different lights. So thought I'd throw it out there real quick. As always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. By the way, my multi-tool that I was using is the Leatherman Blast. Sadly, no longer made. I absolutely love this multi-tool, which is why I haven't bought another one like the Wave, which is looks very nice. I do like the Wave, but the Blast just does everything I need. Scissors, knife, screwdrivers, pliers, just A+. I really wish they kept making them.